Hello, let's get ready for this super swift workout, what we're doing for our lower body. Anybody can do it. I will offer modifications and it's a great place to start to work out at home. Let's go. Okay, let's get ready to get warm. Nice march, nice and easy. And we're just going to start with the high knees. We're taking it. We go quicker. That's it. Few more. Okay, can you double those knees? Let's go. Try and take them across if you can. Few more. Okay, let's get back to that march. Nice and easy. Next move, we're going to take the leg out and rotate. Just going to be out, step back, and again. Few more. We want to get these hips and all that joint nice and ready. Lovely. Few more. Come back to the march. Okay, shoulders. We are working the lower body, but it's always good to get everything ready and forward. Okay, hip circles, take it round. Beautiful. Other side. Okay, shoulder roll. Nice easy squat. Let's go. I'm not going too far. Just want to get these joints nice and supple. Few more. And again. Let's get this body ready for working the lower areas. Okay, take it up. Nice, easy. We're not doing it too fast. Taking our time. Few more. 2 more. Okay. Okay, let's get straight down into this squat hold for 5 seconds and then we're coming back up. Sit nice and strong, we're going straight back in, we're not really resting at the top. Brilliant, I hope you're feeling it. Going. Last one. Excellent. Start with the right, let's go. Excellent. Now if he is fine for you, that's great. Or you might want to take it a little bit lower down and touch the floor. Just working at your level. Keep smiling. Breathe. There, last one. Excellent. Let's take it down. Now, if this is too much, you can always use something to hold on to. You don't have to take the leg really high. I just want you to feel it. Keep going. It's helping you balance, making sure that both your legs are nice and aligned. Don't rush it. Breathe. Nearly there. Last one. Excellent. Okay, time for good morning. Let's go. Excellent. So remember, we're not squatting, our knees are bent, but we're actually doing a hip hinge. And this is going to be great for future work with weights and with kettlebells. It's a great foundational move. Keep going. I want you to feel the tension, so you're bracing your core. Lovely, few more, keeps going. Last few. Last one. Excellent. Okay, let's get straight down into this squat hold. Let's see if we can go a bit lower this time. Excellent, some more. Last one. Awesome, well done.
I used to think that you were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone.
Let's take that lunge to the left. But here's fine.
I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for
Enjoy the move.
I'm dancing all these fears away.
This workout's gonna be a great one for in the middle of the day when you've just been sitting at your desk and you need to get going. Or if you're in pajamas. Last few. One more. Awesome. Go into that curtsy. Nice and controlled. Take it down to where you can.
I'm dancing all these tears away.
It's working your balance.
No time for
Go in, don't give up.
dancing all these fears away. Don't need you.
Leg doesn't have to go high, and that's fine. Last few. Last one. Awesome. Let's go. Breathe. Abs nice and tight, and the glutes as you stand. You're hinging. You're not squatting, your knees are bent. You're actually hinging. To breathe. Last one. Excellent. Okay, so you've done your hard work. Now it's time to cool down. Nice shoulder roll back and forward. Let's take it down just to where you can. Trying to keep our legs just straight so we get that nice stretch down the back of our legs. And then we're coming back up. Don't need to touch the floor. Take it back. And that's it. And breathe. One more time. Oh, it feels good. Okay, shoulders up, down. Lovely. Okay, we're going to stretch the front of the legs. Just going to take one foot up. Feel free to use a chair. I'll show you the modification there. You want to make sure those knees have some care after doing all those squats. Let's hold it for a few seconds. Lovely. And lower down, and the other side. It's going to help your balance. Give you a nice deep stretch for your quads, and help your knees as well. Not your quads. That doesn't sound too good, does it? And just hold it and breathe. That's lovely. Fantastic. Okay, if you need to hold on, that's fine. We're going to just stretch the glutes. We're going to take one foot, figure of four, and then we're going to sit. And we're going to use the other arm to just press and feel that nice stretch in the glutes. More. It's good. Let's come out. Other leg. Don't skip these, especially when you're working your glutes. Balance. A few more seconds. Nice stretch. And then nice soft knees. 3 deep breaths. Let's go. And again. Last one. Give yourself a round of applause. Well done. See you next time.